Hi everyone, Rick McDowell with Premier Property Group here. It's Tuesday morning, the 14th of April, coming to you live and in person from my home office. I hope you're doing well, and wanted to just go over a little bit of what the market is doing, kind of a quick market update. So numbers from RMLS for last month, the month of March, just came out. We have 1.8 months worth of inventory, which is still very, very low. The median sales price is up 4.4% at $425,000. New listings in the month of March were down just slightly, so 3,468 new listings compared to 3,504. Pending sales were also down at 2,347 pending sales compared to 27 and 38. So that is starting to show that the coronavirus, stay-at-home orders and what have you are having a bit of an effect on our market. But that doesn't show the whole story. So I did a little bit of research, and let me get here. So I did a little research for the first 2 weeks of April. So because I think this thing really started in mid-March, and that's when we started seeing things fall off a bit. So all of Portland, that means any single-family homes, condos, townhomes, there were 798 new listings from the beginning of April, so April 1st to today. There have been 677 pending sales, so they've accepted offers. And interesting, that 264 of those pending sales were of the new listings that were listed since April 1st. So new listings, if they're priced right and what have you, are still selling fairly quickly. And then there have been 627 closed sales, and that's market as a whole in Portland. So I also wanted to break it out to the west side of Portland. So west side of Portland, northwest Portland, Beaverton, Aloha, Tiger, Tualatin, Sherwood, out to Forest Grove. There have been 352 new listings since April 1st, 306 pending sales since then, and of those 306, 123 of those were listings that came on the market after April 1st. And then there have been 265 closed sales since in the first 2 weeks. So that still shows that the market's moving along pretty well. However, one thing that we do look at is lockbox activity, people going in and showing houses and what have you. And typically this time of year, we get about 25,000 lockbox showings per week. And we, at the middle of March, we had 20,317 showings for that week. And then the following week, it dropped down to 16,125. And the week after that, which ended at the end of March, we were down to 10,836 showings. So a tremendous drop on that. But starting in April, the first week of April, we had 10,493, so slightly less, but about the same. And then this past week, showing activity is starting to pick up. So it's at 11,114. So I think that right now we're still less than half of the showings, but I think that we're maybe starting to see it flatten. And I don't know that it's going to pick right back up in the next week or two. I wouldn't expect that at all. But it does show that hopefully we're at that bottom level, and it will start to pick back up. So again, I think that this too shall pass. I hope everybody is doing well. If you have any questions about these numbers, please give either Jimmy or myself a call. We're happy to explain anything out that we can. Stay well. This is going to pass. We're going to get out of this, and I'll talk to you later. Thanks.